Okay, so we're going to have a look at subtracting using the column method, just to remind us, so that you can answer the question. So let's start with a nice easy one. 47 take away 24. So in this question, it's nice and easy because the digits on top are larger than the digits on the bottom. So 7, could do 7 fingers, 7 counters. 7 take away 4 is 3. 4 take away 2 is 2, so the answer is 23. What I'd like us to have a look at now is where the number on the top is smaller, the digit is smaller than the one on the bottom. And this won't be with the first number, it'll be with the last digits, okay? So we've got 71 take away 38. Now, if I have one finger up, I can't take away 8 fingers, which means we need to borrow. So we're going to go to the 7. We can only ever go next door. We're going to ask for 1. So we're going to take 1 off him, which is actually 10, and we're going to give it to that unit. So 10 add 1 makes 11. So we've got 11 take away 8, which means that 11 take away 8 is 3. Then we've got 6 take away 3, which is nice and straightforward, which is 3. So the answer is 33. Let's try another one and let's make our numbers a little bit bigger. Let's do 342. Take away 198. Okay, now some of you might look at that and say, actually, I'm going to work that up in my head. I'm going to take away 200 and then I'm going to add the 2 on at the end. But let's have a look if we can work it out with a column. So we've got 2 take away 8. Again, 2 fingers, take away 8 fingers. We can't do it. So we're going to borrow. We're going to go next door to the 4. Okay, so 4, can we have 1? We only ever need 1 because he gives 10. He becomes a 3. And our 10 goes on to the 2, becomes a 12. 12 take away 8 is 4. 3 take away 9, again, we can't do it. So what are we going to do? Borrow. So 3 goes to 3, he becomes 2. Then we have 13 take away 9. 13 take away 9 is 4. And then 2 take away 1 is 1. Okay, let's try another one. This time we're going to put a little sneaky 0 in the middle. So 203 take away, and let's just make it a 2-digit, 94. Okay, so this time 3 can't take away 4, but he can't borrow from the 0 because he hasn't got any. Now, like I said, you can only go to your neighbour. So 0 in the middle, this one, he needs to borrow from his neighbour first. So he asks for 1, that becomes a 1, and he becomes then a 10. The 0 becomes a 10. Now we can go back to 3 and we can say, can we borrow 1? Yes, we can. He crosses off and becomes a 9. Gives the 3 a 1. He becomes 13. 13 take away 4 is 9. 9 take away 9 is 0. And 1 take away nothing is 1. Again, some of you might have said I could take away 100 and then add on 6 at the end, but that's how we use the column. So have a go at those today. Don't forget to borrow, and don't forget you must only go to the neighbour.